In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a forced copy of Google Forms. This is a quick way to share a form as a template so that anyone who opens your link is taken straight to a Make a Copy screen, ensuring they get their own editable version and your original stays untouched. Start by opening the Google form you want to share in edit mode. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the questions, settings, and the toolbar to add new fields. Go to the top of your browser and copy the entire address from the address bar. This link is the edit URL for your form. If you're unsure, look for the last part of the address ending with the word edit. Copy it exactly as it appears because we'll modify just one part of it in the next step. Next, paste that link somewhere you can safely edit it. This could be an email draft, a document, or even right back into your browser's address bar. Don't press enter yet. Carefully move to the very end of the URL and replace the word edit with the word copy. Make sure you only change that final word after the last slash and keep everything else in the link the same. This small change is what transforms your normal edit link into a forced copy link. Once you've made the change, that's the link you'll share with others. It's perfect for colleagues, students, or clients who need their own version of your form without affecting your original. Here's what the recipient will experience. When they open your modified link, Google Forms will display a Make a Copy page. All they need to do is click the Make a Copy button. After that click, Google creates a brand new copy of your form in their Google Drive, and it opens immediately for editing. They can rename it, customize questions, adjust settings, and manage their own responses independently from yours. Your original form remains private and unchanged. A couple of helpful notes as you use this method. The person clicking the link needs to be signed into a Google account to save the copy to their drive. If your organization has sharing restrictions, make sure external copying is allowed. And when sharing publicly, send only the modified link that ends in copy, not your original edit link, to keep your form secure. That's it. Copy the edit URL, change edit to copy, and share that link. You've just created a clean, professional way to distribute your Google form as a template.